very hot.
Okay na to.
Sarap!
Honey, come get me. Stop! Don't put a shirt on.
You are OA.
I like my adobo with ketchup. Hi everyone! So today's gonna be exciting because SeoHyun is gonna be back from a business trip and I'll be surprising him with Filipino chicken adobo. I think he's back from I could hear him. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah! Go pee! Go pee! Are you tooting? Yes, you're tooting. Oh my gosh, ang baho, SeoHyun.
You're missing this.
Is that me?
Yep. Sarap!
This is the chicken marinade that I did. Again, we're using avocado oil because it has a high heat point and it's healthier than using palm oil or coconut oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil. Those oils, like I said from my previous cooking vlogs, it has risks for your health. So I suggest using this or ghee or tallow or even olive oil. So while waiting for the chicken to sear, we're gonna make our rice. Kasi rice is life in the Philippines and chicken adobo is not chicken adobo without rice. Ayan. Whoa. Let's add one more thing to our chicken adobo and this is completely optional. Can you guess what? Eggs! Okay. Ayan. That's my chicken adobo right there. No, stop! Don't put a shirt on! Don't put a shirt on!
You are OA.
Oh! What did you say? What did... Suspect! Honey, come get me! Okay na to? Okay na to. Okay, this one's for you, my love. More chicken. Okay na to.
It's very hot.
Do you like it or not?
Good.
Oh, it's good? You like it? You like it this time? Ooh, yes! I finally found the perfect blend of chicken adobo. Yes! Tagumpay!
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. We listen and we don't judge Filipino version. I like my adobo with ketchup. I eat it like this. I put the ketchup specifically on the egg. And eat it like this. No! Oh, so good. No, it really is good. I'm gonna keep this recipe from now on. You're right, it's not too salty. You want more?
Yes.
Yay! Wanna try your adobo with ketchup on the side? Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, we have a series of SeoHyun trying out Filipino foods for the first time. We'll see you on the next one. Bye! Kaja!